Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you a bunch of DIYs for skin brightening. These DIYs are very simple, usually involving just 2 or 3 steps, so just keep watching this video guys to find out. So if your skin is looking dull because of excessive clogged pores, acne or spots, this DIY is perfect for you. For this, take a little bit of Amba Haldi powder, which is great for skin purifying, cleaning the blemishes off the face and also preventing acne. And add a few drops of neem oil. Neem oil is again great for dealing with blemishes, skin brightening, skin aging and skin irritation. Mix both the ingredients with a little bit of water or rose water. Apply it all over your face and neck. Leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. This is a DIY which you can easily do every single day. I suggest you do it every single night before you go to sleep, because after applying this face pack and washing your face, your skin will want to leave some time to rejuvenate itself, and at night when you're sleeping, that is the best time for you. So do this DIY every single day and you will see a natural glow occurring to your skin and also the acne fading away slowly. Skin exfoliation and brightening, especially if you want to get rid of those dead skin cells, or if you are facing issues like fine lines, wrinkles, if signs of aging have suddenly started appearing for you, this DIY is absolutely perfect. For this, you will need some Arabica AAA Plus coffee, which is filled with antioxidants, because it helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and it also helps in exfoliating the skin very gently, because as you can see, the particles are very tiny. To this, we'll add a few drops of argan oil. Now, argan oil is again great for your skin elasticity. It's great for brightening your skin. It's great for moisturizing and polishing your skin. To this, add a little bit of milk, mix all the ingredients really well, and then scrub away. You can use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week for perfect exfoliation and skin brightening. You will start seeing a difference right from the first use itself. For tan removal and skin brightening, take a little bit of orange peel powder, which is great for cleaning, purifying and brightening the skin. To this, we'll add a few drops of lemon essential oil. So lemon essential oil is again great for tan removal, brightening the skin and also making your skin glow. Also on that note, in place of lemon essential oil, you can also use lemon juice. Just make sure you're not allergic to it. Mix both the ingredients really well with some raw milk. Apply it all over your face and neck as a regular face mask and then wash it off with cool water. Once again, this is a DIY which you can use every single day for brighter, clearer and less tanned skin. For quick skin brightening while cleansing, take your regular cleanser. So here I am using the tea tree foaming face wash, which has antibacterial properties, reduces appearance of blemishes and acne scars as well. To this, add about a drop or two of cinnamon essential oil, which is known for skin brightening, its anti-aging benefits and for also improving the blood circulation into your skin. Wash your face with this every single day as a part of your regular face wash routine to make your skin brighter and clearer. So guys, these are 4 DIY/hacks that I want to share with you all, and like all of my recent videos, all of these products are made in India. They are also cruelty free, and that is so great, right? We absolutely need to start promoting our Indian brands, our organic brands. Once we start using them, only then the whole world will sit up and take notice of how wonderful our DIY ingredients can be and how wonderful our home remedies can be. I know a lot of these products I'm using today are not exactly made at home. A lot of times you actually have to buy them from the market. I'll put all the links in the description box below, but they're still very natural, because all of these products are cruelty free, preservative free, absolutely clean, raw, natural ingredients. Plus they are actually far more affordable than those expensive face masks and all those expensive things that we actually buy from the market. So it is still a win-win for everybody, and yeah, that's just what I want to share. I'll also be sharing a couple of videos very soon, because I'm getting a lot of requests for this, where I'll only be using ingredients from the kitchen at home for my DIYs. Okay, so I have seen your comments and I will definitely take that into account. I will start doing more DIYs like that as well. But till then, don't forget to hit like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.